or down unless somebody else signs in.
Okay.
There's never a rock call you? Or-
You can just call me.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Good afternoon. The 36th District Court in the state of Michigan is now in session. The Honorable Judge Marlena Taylor is now presiding. At this time, there will be no smoking, no talking, no chewing gum, no eating or drinking, no sleeping or laying down, no driving or riding in a moving vehicle. Please keep your device on mute until addressed by staff. Also, keep your device on a level surface so that your face may be seen. Good afternoon, Your Honor.
Good afternoon. Attorney Hill?
Yes.
All right, I'm just gonna give this gentleman a new date, okay?
Okay.
All right. Now
That's
calling
okay.
the matter of the people versus Demario Walton. This is ticket number P13133301. This is one count, no insurance misdemeanor. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill, P68445 on behalf of Mr. Walton. Mr. Walton, please state your name, sir.
Demario Walton.
Judge, my understanding is if it's an arraignment, we'll wait for him reading, stand mute, ask the court, set it for a new date.
All right. This time the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on your client's behalf. Mr. Walton needs to get to work and mornings work better, so that's fine. The court's gonna set this for November the 22nd at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom still, sir. You'll sign in under the same date and time. I'm going to set your bond at $0 personal, okay?
Okay.
All right, so I'll see you back then, November 22nd at 8:30 a.m. via Zoom, okay?
Okay. I have another question.
Sure.
I have two more partakers at November at 1:30 on the November the 21st. So can I get that switched over to 8:32?
We'll make sure that it's all on November the 22nd, okay? Just come to November the 22nd in the morning, okay?
For which one?
All of them.
Oh, all of them. Okay, my other one too. The one I got the case number SP13159622.
Yes, I'm gonna handle them all on the same day at the same time, okay, sir?
Okay, so what day that is?
November the 22nd at 8:30 a.m. because you need a morning time, right? Because the other one's an afternoon time. I'm trying to give you the morning times, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so November the 22nd, I'm gonna move all your cases to that day.
Okay, thank you. I really appreciate it too.
You're welcome, no problem, okay? So we'll see you for all your matters. So don't come in on the 21st, just come on the 22nd in the morning, 8:30 a.m.
For all the tickets.
for all the tickets, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, have a good day, get to work.
Oh,
sir.
is that the same Zoom number? All of the same
Yes.
Zoom
Yes.
number?
Yes, same
360333.
Zoom
Holy.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
all right. All right. Attorney Hill? Did you
Yes.
have the matter you needed, where there's some people finished already?
I'm sorry, Judge. It was mumbled. What'd you say?
I said, did you have anything finished? I saw you come back in.
Yeah, I think we're ready on everybody.
Okay. Fantastic. Did you even talk to the gentleman, Mr. What's his name? Mr. Walker? You talked to him too?
I did.
Okay.
Judge, is my audio better? I bought like an actual microphone because we had issues last week.
It does sound good today.
Okay, good.
You can ask Miss Sandy too to see how it sounds for her, but it does sound good today.
Yeah, crystal clear.
So this is what I bought.
I can't wait.
I
That's pretty sweet.
I
That's
got
sweet.
I got tired of getting yelled at by all the judges.
Oh, it's all right. I'm not gonna yell at you. Okay, for Miss Williams, I'm gonna call her first. She has a bench trial scheduled. And we just gonna move her matters. Which are the ones that's just going back? Trisha Williams?
Yes, I'm here.
She had, it's SP 1283465.
All right. All right, now calling the matter of the people versus Patricia Ann Marie Williams. This is ticket P 1283465. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Count two, drove while license suspended. Repeat offender. Count three, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel.
Ryan Hale, P68445 on behalf of Miss Williams. Miss Williams, say your name, please.
Patricia Williams.
Judge, as it relates to if it's an arraignment, we'll waive form reading, stand mute. My client's going to be asking for a bench trial if possible.
All right, she already has a set of bench trials. I put this one on that same, on a different date though, because she has bench trials on January the 6th.
Yes, you
Yeah, she has quite a few outstanding. I'm gonna make this one on January 27th, okay?
so it all can't go to the same date because
No, ma'am, you have way too many tickets for me to put it all on the same day.
that's why she made that. That's why she made that new date for me.
What the 6th is how many?
Mhm.
how many- Does she have all the times on the 6th? Let's pull up the 6th and see how many I have. Man, you got like 30 something cases. Open.
It's not that many, man.
Yeah, it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
Yeah. Yeah, I think we can get those dismissed, right? Because they old, and I've been just trying to get my license back. Those been standing in the way, which is causing me to get tickets.
Miss
Because that's
Williams,
what
just
been
because
causing.
they're
I'm
old
sorry.
doesn't mean they go away, Miss Williams. They stay here. Now, I'm
I
gonna
know,
get a
but
call for some of the civil infractions too, to try and get those out. But these are 2021 cases. That's not even old.
it's because like, I've been trying every time I keep trying to take care of the next ticket, and then another ticket come, which like I'm just
Right,
trying to
'cause you
get all
can't
of it in
drive
one
and
bundle
take care of
and
your
take care of it.
Right.
Yeah.
I know, one at a time. I'll let her talk. Go ahead, Miss Williams. Tell me why.
Now, I'm just trying to take care of all of them. As soon as I try to take care of the next one, then another one come. Like that's why she set the one court date for me to get, situated with all of them at one time. Because they keep carrying on. And then I do have proof of tickets that I have paid. I do have a receipt that I have tried to pay all of them at one time. And as soon as I paid that and missed one, another one that comes in. And then COVID came, and then with the miss, dates and stuff. So that's how everything got up to that. So it wasn't like I wasn't trying to take care of my tickets.
I know, Miss Williams, and I'm trying to work with you. I was about to say, but when you tell me that you were trying to help it and then you got new tickets, so that means that, we weren't moving fast enough. I'm gonna give you the opportunity to pay, because based on your sweater, I believe that you can pay for it. So we're gonna, you better know I know what that is. I'm a fashion girl.
Okay.
So,
but thank you for understanding my situation. But yes, I do have my receipts on trying to pay these tickets, and then another one come from, I was trying to keep up with them, but they kept building.
Right, but that's.
So they're not even.
All right, I'm gonna give you January 6th, okay, as your date for everything, bench trial, okay?
Okay.
All right.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome, okay?
Okay. Do I just leave out the whole room?
Just leave out the whole room.
All right.
Oh, my goodness. Then she gonna
hate y'all. Jesse Walden. Jesse Walden.
Mr. Walden, can you hear us?
Yes.
Are you real low? I need you to get closer to the mic and turn your camera on. All right, there we go. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jesse Emmett Harvey Walden. This is ticket number P1359769. Count one, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant, Mr. Walden, state your name, please.
Jesse Emmett Harvey Walden.
There we go. Thank you, Mr. Walden.
Judge, this is set for a arraignment. We'll waive forwarding, stay on mute. My client's going to plead guilty as charged.
And this time the court's gonna enter a plea of not guilty on behalf of your client, but it's my understanding you want to take advantage. This is the offer for improper plates. He wants that today.
It's the same
Or
thing, but
as charged.
yeah. He wants to take advantage of the offer, Judge. Yes.
All right, go ahead, raise your right hand, Mr. Walden. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Okay, you can put your hand down. Did you have a chance to talk to the attorney about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, my own choice. Yes.
All right, are you pleading guilty because you are guilty, sir?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter?
Yes.
Understanding all of this, you want to go forward, sir?
Yes.
All right, I want to take your attention back to June 2nd, 2022. Were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of Wyoming and Curtis in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I was down the street from my house. Yes.
All right, and did you have, was it unregistered at that time, sir?
Yes.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied.
All right, the court is satisfied as well and will accept the plea to the amended charge of improper plate. Sir, have you got that car registered? What's going on with that vehicle, sir?
Judge, I can explain. This was actually his mother's vehicle that passed away. I think it's not registered because you can't, after she passed away, it's been very difficult, I guess, to get the estate to transfer it over. That's the first thing I asked him. So I don't think he's able to get it registered at all. Is that right, Mr. Walden?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. I know those can be very difficult, Mr. Walden. I do understand that. So I'm gonna give you a break this one time. I'm gonna waive your cost and fine. But you're not really supposed to drive that vehicle until you get it together. So I don't know what you can do, but you gotta try and figure it out if you're gonna drive the car, okay?
Oh, no, I won't anymore. Yeah, I know.
Okay. All right, sir. Well, thank you for taking ownership over it. And at this point in time, you're all set, okay? I waived the cost and fines on it, okay?
Oh, I appreciate y'all. Thank you.
You're very welcome, okay? You have a good day, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, attorney. Thank y'all.
No problem.
All right, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Jeffrey Walker?
Hey, Judge,
Yes.
before, when you're finished with Mr. Walker, can you just put him back in the breakout room? I didn't get his updated information.
Okay. All right, we need some updated information from you, Mr. Walker, okay? After we finish, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Now calling the matter of the people versus Jeffrey R. Walker. This is ticket P1308161. This is one count possession of drug paraphernalia prohibited. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of Mr. Walker. Mr. Walker, state your name, please.
Jeffrey R. Walker.
Judge, we'll wait for him when you stay on mute. My client's asking for a bench trial, not a jury trial.
All right. Sir, can you please raise your right hand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yeah, I swear.
You put your hand down, sir. Did you have
All
a
right.
chance to talk to Attorney Hill about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
It's my understanding that you would like to have a bench trial. That's a trial before myself as the trier and finder of facts. Is that right, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, I'm gonna have it on January 27th, 2023, 9 a.m. So it's in the morning instead of the afternoon, sir.
Okay, let me
But
write
it's
this
on
down.
Zoom. Write it down. I'll repeat it for you. Just let me know.
January 27th, 23,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 9 a.m.
9 a.m.
Same Zoom information, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. I'll see you back then, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Judge,
All right, sir. Can you go back to the breakout room for me though, okay? And just hold tight.
Okay,
All right.
let me figure out how to get back there. Okay.
Judge, if I could just ask him this, he may not have to. Mr. Walker, is your address 91 Rose?
Went in there.
Buddy, Judge,
He went in there because I opened back up the breakout room, so he must have seen that it's there because you said you needed that.
okay, all
We
right.
heard this last lady. It shouldn't be too long. We'll see. Celeste Yorko.
Yes, I'm sorry, Judge, what was that?
Carlista. Yeah. Carlista.
Carlesta?
Carlista, okay.
Yes.
All right. All right. Now calling the matters of the people. Versus Carlista Yorko. This is ticket number P867972. Count 1, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Count 2, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 3, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P1310447. Count 1, drove. Man, you got the background noise.
Okay.
Are they all set?
Yes.
Ticket P1310447. Count 1, drove while license suspended. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, registration and/or plate violation. Ticket number 390809, drove while license suspended. Ticket number 481165, no operator's license on person. Ticket P1154533, count 1, improper plates. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, drove while license suspended. Ticket number P1159132, drive unregistered untitled vehicle. Count 1. Count 2, no insurance misdemeanor. Count 3, driver's license expired. Ticket number P1165238, 1 count drove while license not valid or improper license. Ticket number P1159135, failed to display a valid operator's license not on person. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant, state your name, please.
Carlesta Yerko.
Judge, I only had three on the docket. So can you tell me what the offer is? That may change my mind on setting it for a trial date. I didn't realize there were so many.
Yes, so she has 1, 2, 3, 4 tickets they're asking her to plead to. One of them is, let's see, drove while license suspended as a FTD. That's from 2022, February 5th, 2022. One is improper plates as charged, as well as a drive and register untitled vehicle as improper plate. And then And then one civil infraction, registration and or plate violation.
So, ma'am, they want you to plead to 4. They're gonna dismiss. How many dismissals, Judge?
It's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cases.
What I can tell you is this, and we can go into a breakout room. Only one of them is a moving violation, so that's the fail to display. If you have 3 or more moving violations within a 2-year period, it will suspend your eligibility. Do you want to go into a breakout room and talk about this, or do you want to accept the offer? Only one of these will actually abstract as a moving violation, but they'll be dismissing 10. How do you want to
Okay,
proceed?
can we go in a breakout room
Yep,
real fast?
no problem. Thank you, Judge.
No problem, of course. I'm gonna put you in breakout room number 5, just to be close to the other gentleman.
Okay.
Okay. You can go in and talk to Jeffrey Walker too and try and get that information. That'll work right now. Kyrie?
Yes, ma'am.
It's 2:30. What's your name, sir?
Kyrie Wheeler. Sorry, I'm in a different time zone. I got it mixed up. I'm sorry.
We got 4 cases. Let me see how many more cases you have.
Kyrie? Kyrie?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, what is your name, sir?
Kyrie Wheeler.
Wheeler? Okay, thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Mr. Wheeler, I'm going to put you in a breakout room.
Okay.
That's you'll be able to talk with Mr. Hill, the attorney, about your case and about your rights. Okay?
Okay.
So when you receive the invitation, just press join and it'll take you there.
Okay.
You ready to go back on the record on this one, Attorney Hill?
Yes.
Recalling the matter of people versus clerk. Arlesta Yurko. These matters were called previously on the record. We had to take a brief adjournment so that council could talk about the remaining matters. There were additional matters that the court pulled that were in warrant status, and we didn't want them to remain in warrant status, so we pulled them. Appearances for the record, once again, Attorney Hill.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant, state your name.
Carlos Yerko.
Did we come to some type of decision, Attorney Hill?
She's gonna take the offer, Judge.
Is that right, ma'am?
Yes.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, ma'am.
You can put your hand down.
Okay.
Ms. Yerko, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Hill in private about your case and about your rights?
Yes.
Did anyone threaten, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea today?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, I am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in these matters, ma'am?
Yes.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, I am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All right. First, I'm going to take you to the day of January 26th of 2021. Were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in the area of East 7 Mile and Hoover in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
And while you were driving that vehicle, was it unregistered with the Secretary of State's office for that year, ma'am?
Yes, it was. I had just bought it.
Okay. All right. This taking your attention to the date of January 15th, 2021, in the area of East 7 Mile and Mound Road, same area. Were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in that area?
Yes.
And did it have improper plates on it at that time?
No plates. Yes, ma'am.
No plates. Yep. All right. And then finally, bringing your attention to the date of February 5th of 2022, this year. Were you in the area of East 7 Mile and Queen Streets in the city of Detroit?
Yes.
Were you driving a Chrysler vehicle in this area, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
And were you driving while your license was suspended?
Yes.
And did you also have no plates on that vehicle?
Yes.
Satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied.
Stipulation for probable cause on the remaining counts to be dismissed?
So stipulated.
So at this time, the court's going to enter a plea on driving while license suspended to the amended charge of failed to display on improper plates. That will remain as an improper plate. On drive unregistered or untitled vehicle, that's going to be amended to improper plate. And the registration and or plate violation is going to be as charged. That's a plea of responsibility. Let me find out how much one of these tickets costs. And then okay. So the civil infraction is $170. 170. Typically, you have 14 days to be able to pay that. Is that going to be enough time for you, ma'am?
No. I
How much
just
time?
received it. I at least need more than 30 days. Is that okay? I just
Yes.
received the job. I'm still in training.
Yes, no. That's what I'm asking. I'll give you until December 30th, 2022 to have that paid, okay?
Okay. So I
On the
have
remaining-
4 council, I'm sorry.
You said what?
So I have to pay 174 times, you said?
No. So on the other tickets that you have, I'm going to do, let's see. How many tickets did she plead to 4 all together?
Yes.
Right. I'll make you pay $200 on another ticket. I'll give you some additional time. How long do you think that would take you to pay that? From that 170, an additional 200.
There's about the same amount of time. I'll be able to get it all done before December 20,
I
before
was gonna give
December
you some
30.
more time. I was gonna give you some additional time beyond that,
Okay.
okay? Because you're just getting your job. All
Okay.
right. I'll give you until. Okay. 5. Okay, all right. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna charge you 200 for another ticket. I'm gonna make that due January 30th, 2023, okay? That $200. So 170 is due December 30th. The other is due $200 is due January 30th, okay?
Okay.
I'm gonna waive the cost and fines on the other 2 tickets. And I'm doing this because you owe something called reinstatement fees. Those are
Okay.
$45 a piece and I can't do anything about them, and you have 5 of them. So you owe $225 on those, okay?
Okay.
Okay? But you can pay those when you can, but I'm just letting you know that that's gonna be how you get your license back. So that's why I'm trying not to overwhelm you, because if I give you too many fines and costs, then you're not gonna wanna pay it. So,
Okay.
okay? All right. Good luck to you. I'm glad to hear you have a job. So the first 170 is due December 30th. 200 additional dollars is due January 30th. Hopefully that gives you enough time to come up with that money, okay? 370 total. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
Okay, you're all set, ma'am. Thank you so much for your patience this afternoon.
Thank you. You have a blessed day.
You too. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
All right, Attorney Hill, we got one more person who came on. Kari Wheeler. His offer is that he pleads to no insurance misdemeanor as an improper plate. I'll dismiss the civil infraction ticket. He has 3 tickets.
He's pleading to 2 and they're dismissing the civil infraction?
No, no insurance misdemeanor as an improper plate, amended to improper plate.
Got it,
And
okay.
then 3 civil infractions will be dismissed.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay.
Where is he at?
He's in
Oh, got it.
room-
I got it, thank you.
Fantastic. Thank you.
Menard, I'll be filing agreements.
Against us?
Yeah.
Why?
Hang on.
Is he serious?
Are you ready?
Okay.
We're ready.
Okay. Now calling the matter of the people versus Kari Wheeler. This is ticket number P1311223. Count one, no insurance misdemeanor. Ticket P1311220. Count one, violation of basic speed law or drove in an unsafe manner. Count two, tinted windows. Count three, one armed driving. Appearances for the record, starting with counsel, please.
Ryan Hill, on behalf of the defendant.
And sir, can you state your name for the record, please?
Kyrie Wheeler.
How are we proceeding today?
Judge, I'm sorry. I went over the offer with my client. He's going to accept the offer, pleading to the amended charge of improper plates.
Is that right, Mr. Wheeler?
Yes, ma'am.
If so, please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
I swear.
You can put your hand down. Mr. Wheeler, did you have a chance to talk to Attorney Hill about your case and about your rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for a plea?
No, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty of your own choice?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you pleading guilty because you are guilty?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand that by taking this guilty plea today, you're going to give up the rights that you had to have a bench or a jury trial in this matter? You understand that, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
Understanding all of that, did you still want to move forward today?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, sir. I want to take your attention back to February 7th of this year, 2022. Were you driving a Ford vehicle in the area of 8 Mile and Schaefer Highway in the city of Detroit?
Yes, ma'am.
And while you were driving that vehicle, did it not have any car insurance on it at the time?
No, ma'am, it didn't.
All right, satisfied, counsel?
Satisfied, Your Honor.
And then the rest of the tickets are civil infractions, so the court's going to dismiss those as a part of a plea. I'm going to enter a 1 count of amended improper plates on this ticket, okay, sir?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, my fine is $200. How long would that take you to pay? 30 or 60 days?
I can pay it in 30.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to do no later than this November 30th, 2022, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if there's nothing further, Mr. Wheeler, you are all set. Thank you so much.
Thank you. I can pay that online, right?
Yep, you can pay it online. Go to 36districtcourt.org. It's gonna be a tab on the side, on the left-hand side that says look up your case. Hit that and put your full information in there, okay?
For the no insurance misdemeanor, right?
That's right.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
You're welcome. Have a good day, sir. Good luck to you,
You
okay?
too.
All right,
Thank you.
All right. Bye-bye.